Good morning, students. And today this class is belongs to a class 9. The point number 4. For the Lake Isle of Innisfree. Lake Isle of Innisfree. Okay. This poem is written by William Butler Yeats. Okay, before going to before starting our poem, I just want to say something about the poem. Like Isle of Innisfree express the poet deep desire of beauty and the peace. ओके इसके अंदर से पूरा हमारा ये पोएम के अंदर का मीनिंग व्हाट इट मीन्स. ओके इट मीन्स द ब्यूटी एंड द पीस. The poet gives great importance to values of peace and tranquility. Okay, he was giving a good importance. In this poem, he is giving, and a quite important thing is that the peace and tranquility. Nature is the best healer. He is saying that नेचर द प्रकृति होते हैं कि क्या है बेस्ट हीलर है. इट प्रोवाइड्स पीस टू द ट्रबल्ड माइंड्स. ओके जब ये क्या है कि ये ट्रबल्ड माइंड को क्या देते हैं पीस देते हैं शांति देते हैं. ठीक है क्या देते हैं शांति देते हैं. द पोएट्स वांट टू get the beautiful lake Isle of Innisfree. He feels that there he will enjoy the beauty and company of the nature. Okay, he wanted to go to the lake of Innisfree island. ठीक है वो जैसे आइस मतलब क्या होता है आइलैंड. ठीक है द्वीप. Okay, so वहाँ पे he wanted to go. He need to capture the beautiness and the peace of the climate or the nature. He will make a hut, have vegetables and grow vegetables and listen to the sounds of songs, insects and the bird. Okay, so he will go there. He wanted to go there and he need to make a hut. Okay, so then he will grow the vegetables and in the morning and the evening he will listen the voice, the sound, the sweet sound of insects and the birds. He imagined this soothing effect of nature on his mind. He was dreaming in his mind about the smoothness, about the peaceness, about the beautiness of the nature. He imagined the lapping of lake water in the core of his heart while living the dull and boring city life. He was saying that the water in the lake is the core of his heart, and he wanted to live from the boring and congested life from the cities. He imagines the blissful and peaceful life that they would enjoy at Innisfree. He's saying that he can enjoy the life in Innisfree. The first stanza, I will arise and go now and go to Innisfree. And a small cabin built there of clay and wards made. 9 bean rows I will have there, a hive for his honeybee. And live alone the bee loudly. Okay, the poet क्या कहना चाहता हो? Okay, and says that he will get up now and go to Innisfree. अभी उड़े उठ के क्या करते हैं Innisfree में जाते हैं. There he will build a small cabin of clay and walls. Okay, क्या करते हैं कि वो उन्होंने वहां पे एक छोटा मकान बनने के लिए जाते हो। वहां कैसे, वहां पे वो मिट्टी से एक छोटा मकान बनाने जा रहे हो। ठीक है, उधर वहां पे ही विल ग्रो देयर बीन्स इन 9 rows। 9 rows में क्या करते हैं, बीन्स ग्रो करते हैं। देयर ही विल हाइव फॉर हिज हनी बी, फॉर द ही मेक हाइव फॉर हनी बी, हनी बी के लिए एक हाइव बनाते हैं। There he will live alone in the glad that he will the fall of the buzz of bees। आगे जैसे वहां पे जैसे रहेगा कि उनका वो बीज मधुमक्खी का आवाज सुन के लगेगा। Okay, the next paragraph is, and I shall have some peace there, for peace some dropping slow, dropping from the birds of the morning to where the cricket sings, the midnight or the glimmer and the noon, the purple glow and the evening full of the linnet twin. The poet says that by living in industry he will have some peace। Okay, so city में जो रहते हैं उनको क्या नहीं है, अगर उनको शांति नहीं मिलते हैं, वहां पे इंडस्ट्री में जाने के बाद उनको क्या मिलते हैं कि शांति मिलते हैं। Again, the peace reigns from the morning till night when the cricket starts singing। Right? So beautiful। Okay, peace कहाँ से चालू करते हैं? From the morning to the night। From the cricket, cricket क्या होता है, इंसेस्ट होता है, जैसे उसका आवाज तेज होता है, वो भी नाइट में मिडनाइट में आ जाते हैं। इसका आवाज आने तक एकदम शांति हो जाते हैं। Midnights are full of glimmer and there are noons have a purple glow. The evening are full of wing of linnet kind of bird। Okay, evening में क्या है, पूरा का पूरा वहाँ पे birds, sounds and the bees। But he was right। The last paragraph, I will arise and go now for always night and day, hear the lake water lapping with low sounds by the shore, while I stand on the roadway on the ploughman's grave, I hear it on cheap heart score, that he will get up now and go to industry, the pines so much for the place that even while standing on the roadway on the dark pavement in the city, he thinks of industry only, the hairs, the sound of the lake water lapping by the shore in the depth of his heart। Okay, so he was very anxious to go to, excited to go to Innisfree, because Innisfree is one of the great and peaceful and beautiful place which he can capture the nature। So here, my dear students, I just want to say that you should also capture the beautiness of the nature, the sound of birds, and the different kinds of things। Okay, the beauty and the peace of nature। Okay, you should climb it and go ahead in your life। Thank you, have a nice day।